Good day everyone, I go by name Skyward. As you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, this is the account of one of my students. I'll be showing my account some also because it's been a while I've displayed my own personal account. So this is my student that I'll be getting my software. Yes, I'll be busy with them opening accounts and monitoring accounts for my students also. So as you can see this is the account of one of my students. We just got a video call because it started 3 days ago and it's already ending.
Purchase your tracks today.
So remember, if you want to get a video course today and the software which will help you to promote your business and your affiliate link to the right audience, to organic leads, contact me on my Gmail today at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Remember, you will always, it's not always about the hard work, it's about the smart work. Yes, because working smart is using my software, but the software automatically does all the work for you. Instead of you sharing links on Facebook and other platforms, the software automatically gathers this online and promotes your link to the leads, which we have sales. So remember, if you want to get the software today, want to get my software and my complete video course, you can text me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to the number in the description of this video. Text me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or on Telegram to the number in the description of this video. Thank you.